You've probably seen the new ZKX Wallet on PulseChain, built by the team behind LibertySwap. But what most people don't realize is, this wallet has a built-in way to make your transactions private, something almost no wallets in crypto currently offer. And it's not just limited to PulseChain. It actually works across multiple blockchains, not by setting up external tools manually, but directly inside the wallet itself. And most people don't even realize how this actually works, which is exactly what I'm going to show you now. First, I'll walk you through how to set up the wallet step by step, and then I'll show you how the private side of this wallet works, which is where things get really interesting. So let's start with the setup. First, go to the Chrome Web Store, search for ZKX Web3 Wallet, and click Add to Chrome. Make sure it's the official version before installing. Then confirm with Add Extension. After that, the wallet opens automatically. Now you'll see three options: create a new account, import an existing wallet, or watch an address. We're creating a new one, so click Create New Account. Now you'll be asked to create a recovery phrase. This is the most important part. These 12 words are your full access to the wallet. If someone gets them, they control everything. So, no screenshots, no cloud storage. Write it down on paper and store it safely. Confirm that you saved your phrase, and continue. Now create a password. This only protects your wallet locally, but still use something strong. Then click Confirm. Now at this point, most wallets would be done. But this is where this one starts to get different. That's it. Your ZKX wallet is now ready. You can pin it to your browser for easier access. Inside the wallet, you'll see your address, your balance, and your assets. For example, if you want to send tokens, you just click Send, enter the address, choose the amount, and confirm the transaction. Now, everything so far looks pretty standard, but here's where things change. Now, this is the part most people skip, but it's actually the most important feature. At the top, you'll notice something interesting. You can switch between public and private mode. In public mode, everything works like a normal wallet. But the private side works a bit differently. You don't just use it directly. Here's how it actually works. You send your tokens from your public wallet, and when you use the shield function, you enter your private address. The funds are then moved into your private wallet, which you can view by switching to private mode. And from there, you can later unshield them back to a public wallet again. So instead of everything being visible, you now have a separate private balance that you control. This privacy system is powered by Railgun, but instead of setting everything up manually, it's fully integrated into the wallet. And this is where LibertyShield comes in, which is an enhanced layer built on top of Railgun. LibertyShield is designed to be faster, simpler, and it even supports both EVM and non-EVM chains, which makes this a lot more accessible. And the fact that this is coming from the LibertySwap team makes this even more interesting. For example, if you don't want your wallet activity to be publicly tracked, this is where this becomes useful. And just to be clear, this doesn't make you completely invisible, but it adds a strong layer of privacy most wallets don't offer. You can also switch between different networks, like Ethereum, Arbitrum, Avalanche, and PulseChain. So always double-check you're on the correct network. Inside the wallet, you'll also find integrations like LibertySwap, so you can swap, bridge, and interact with DeFi directly from inside the wallet. Now, this private system and the way it's connected to LibertySwap might be way bigger than it looks at first, especially when you start looking at who's behind it and what this could mean for the ecosystem. I'll break that down in the next video, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. And if you want real-time updates around PulseChain, LibertySwap, and everything happening in the ecosystem, you can also check out my Telegram. Link is in the description. If this helped you, drop a like and a comment for the algorithm.